If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you enhance your gaming experience by ensuring your save files are properly synced. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Platforms feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can help resolve the cloud save error. Step 3. Update game and platform. Make sure that both Elden Ring and the platform you are using, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, are fully updated. Developers often release patches to fix bugs, including cloud save issues. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 4. Adjust cloud save settings. Check the cloud save settings on your gaming platform. Ensure the cloud saves are enabled and that there are no restrictions preventing the game from accessing the cloud. Adjust settings if necessary to allow for proper syncing. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to the game support team or your platform's customer service. They may have additional solutions or be able to provide insights specific to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Elden Ring. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.